A Maryland Nigerian man has been arrested for selling fake diplomas, transcripts, and nursing licenses. Let's talk about it. Hi, my name is Nurse Choma, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking with you about what recently happened with this incident where there was a man that was busted for selling fake degrees. Y'all, it's all coming out now. Like, it really is all coming out, especially since the last video I talked about not too long ago about the whole scam scandal that came out recently, and then now this is happening. Oh man. So let me go ahead and read exactly what it says on the Department of Justice website based on the United States Attorney Office of the District of Maryland. So here's what it says on their website. It says a Laurel man was sentenced to almost 2 years in federal prison in connection with a nursing credential scam. The Honorable Deborah L. Boardman sentenced Patrick Nwoku, 55 years old. 55! You're 55 and doing the scam? Man. To 21 months in prison, federal prison, followed by 2 years of supervised release for committing wire fraud. Kelly O'Hayes, U.S. Attorney for the District of Maryland, announced the sentence of Special Agent Charge Jimmy Paul. All right, let's scroll down. According to his plea agreement, Nwoku conspired with others, so it's not just him. There's other people involved in this. I don't know if it's connected to the California scam scandal, but who knows? To sell fraudulent nursing diplomas and educational transcripts to individuals. He also assisted the purchasers with fraudulently obtaining nursing licenses that needed to attain employment in the healthcare field. Nwoku engaged in the scheme through multiple entities, including Nursing School 1, located in Virginia, and there goes Palm Beach School of Nursing, located in Florida. As a result of the scheme, Nwoku and his co-conspirators caused more than $1.5 million in actual losses. Now, y'all can go to the website if you want to and read the full story in more detail. But this is really crazy. So it's not just Florida. So now we can't say that's just Florida committing crime, but this is going on here as well, Virginia. Like, this is crazy. And now what we don't know yet, though, we don't know what's going to happen to all the people that purchased these fake degrees. Like, if they knew, well, actually, no, let me go back. Hold on, y'all. I'm reading something further. If you scroll down to the website, it says Nwoku generally charged $17,000 for RN degrees and $6,000 to $10,000 for LPN degrees. Wow, he was making bank. Per person. He instructed purchasers to list to list Palm Beach School of Nursing on their NCLEX examination applications, but to leave their graduation date blank so the date could be backdated. This would make it appear that the student graduated before Palm Beach School of Nursing lost its licensure. Oh, wow. Now I'm honestly gonna have to spend more time even digging into this more, because this just came out right now, right? So at the time of me doing this video, this was reported Friday, April 14th, 2026. And we all know that whole Operation Nightingale thing that came out, during 2020, during the pandemic. So, and later on. So it's possible that investigation is still ongoing. Who knows? But I have to see what the whole bigger picture is, because this is the same name of the same school of nursing that was connected in the Operation Nightingale. So he may be one of the actual people, one of the fraudsters that was actually selling the degrees, right? So now they're gonna have to look into all the individuals, all the nurses that bought his degree, right? How much they knew. Obviously, they knew what they're doing. How much they knew, what involvement they have, and yeah, list all their names out to the general public. And obviously they're going to lose their jobs. It's going to come to the surface, and it's appalling. it's appalling. Like, this is what people are doing. Like, y'all want nursing that bad? It is amazing. It is amazing because you got people over here that are just trying to leave nursing as soon as possible. That are burnt out, stressed, or trying to quit. And then you got people who are like literally willing to go to prison, by paying for fake degrees, diplomas, certificates, licenses, etc. And it was interesting is the fact that he's also issuing the license, right? So is it that he's giving fake numbers, or does he have some type of arrangement with somebody that's really in the NCSBN that can actually issue the licenses? See what I mean? So I don't know. I don't know. This it's just wild that this is happening, and I believe that there's definitely more. I'm sure those people right now are probably very nervous, uneasy right now because the gig is up. The gig is up. Y'all busted. Y'all all the way busted. Okay? So it just like I said, the best thing is to learn how to pass the NCLEX the legal way. It will give you so much peace of mind that you don't have to worry about, oh my God, am I caught now? Like, are they going to come through the doors today? Trying to pay your way into nursing school, to pay your way into a degree, pay your way, like, no, right? And you're putting people at risk too, like every day. You could kill somebody. You don't know what you're doing at all, you know? At the end of the day, the best thing is to learn how to pass the NCLEX the right way. Okay? Learn how to finish nursing school the legitimate way. So that way you don't have to stress about all this fraud stuff coming to the surface. So if that's you, if you want to learn how to pass nursing school the right way, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you follow, turn on my notifications. And check below in the description. I do have resources that will teach you how to pass your exam, right? You can download our free guide, the NCLEX playbook, but you can also get my 30 days NCLEX Bootcamp. And this is essentially the course, where I teach you how to pass your NCLEX exam in the next 30 days. So if you want to get that, check below in the description for more details. And comment below. Let me know what y'all think about this case. Do y'all know somebody that bought a degree? You don't have to dine them out, but tell me what y'all think in the comments. All right. And where you're tuning in from, I would love to hear what state you're watching this from. All right. See you guys the next time. Take care.